Where are the most narcissists located? Now, as someone who's spoken to thousands of survivors of narcissistic abuse, toxic relationship dynamics, I got a short list, right? Number one on my list will be Texas. Texas is hotbed, right? One day I did 6 Zoom calls and everybody was from a different city in Texas. Number two, close number two, California. Boo hoo, they out there, right? But number 3 on the list, New York. I thought there's so many people in New York, it's crazy. So guess what? I'm coming to New York for a live in-person question and answer session, right? June 2nd, I'm in New York City to answer your questions live and in person. No question is too crazy. No question is off limits. Anything you want to ask a diagnosed narcissist, you can ask me in public in New York City. To find more information, you can go to the link in my bio, or you can just comment the word NYC and I'll send you the link and more information directly, okay? The event is called The Foundation. Let's get it, y'all. See y'all in New York. Peace.